Hello, hi. Okay, still on my UIX journey. One of the tasks given to us was to replicate the sign up page for any app of our choice and then also create the web version. So I did that here. You can see it here. I created an app version of the Amazon sign up page, and then I also created the sign up page for the web, the web version of Amazon sign up page. And you might just be wondering, like, okay, so what's going on here? For before I started this UIX journey, to me it didn't matter to me. I didn't understand what all this was all about, but now I understand, like, the details, every detail in this design. So for example, we can start with the sign in page. Use the sign in text. The sign in text, you can see, is the largest text on my screen here, and that's because we want to lay emphasis that this is what we want you to do when you come into the page, right? And so you can see we want whoever that's coming in to sign in, and they can either sign in by putting in their email or phone number, and then you can see where it clicks on continue. That's to say continue to the next page, because it's expected that when you put your email or phone number, the next page or the next screen that should show up should be where you will put your password. And sometimes in some of these sign up pages, right, you could see forget password, but for this one, because the sign up page, there would be like another page that is still talking about sign up page. If I was to do another screen, what would I have done is when they put in their email address and I put continue, and then it's time for them to put password, I can now have like a text saying forget password. So if they don't have if they've forgotten their password, then they can now click on the forget password test. But for here right now, it's not there because, like I said, there's still like a follow-up page to this action that we want them to do. And so that's what Amazon is that's what is happening here. So another thing that you can see is, okay, if I'm a new person, right, I want you to create an account, and you can see that the create your Amazon account, the text, the box, the shading is abstract, like it's different from everything. So it's something that even when you open the page, your eye will just like go to it first, like it will catch your attention. And so that's the essence of making it different from, and this is where contracts, this is when they say contracts, right? This is contracts, so it is sort of different from a lot of things that's happening on the page. And so that if you're just coming in, like if you're a first-time user, you can now see like create your Amazon account, and then you can click on it, and then you can now, it will take you to another page, maybe where you have to register your name, your country, and things like that. So that's that. And you can also see that there's also another text that says that by continuing, you agree to Amazon's condition of use and privacy notice. And you know that in the pages, right, this is just like a design, and the reason that is shaded blue is because it's expected that that's a link. Like if for example, like if you use Google Suits, right, when you type like a word, maybe you type here, right, and you want to put in a link to maybe to another page in it, you just insert link, it automatically changes the color, right? So that's why we have that color. That's why we have the color there, because it's signifying that, oh, this is a link. So when you click on the conditions of use and privacy notice, you'll be able to see and read through the condition of use. And if you like what you see there, you can continue to to sign up or to register, whatever it is. So that's that. That's really what this is. That's what's happening here. Before now, I just felt, it's sign up page, but now that I'm into design, I now begin to understand every details, right? So email or phone number, the text is not as pronounced as the sign up page, because there's something we call hierarchy. We want to make the most important thing that we want people to first like notice to be is it pronounced. And so signing, is like we are telling them do this. So when they see signing, they're like, okay, after signing, okay, So I can sign in by either inputting my email or my phone number. So that's what it is. And then it's the same thing, like it's the same thing with the app version, right? Yes, the only difference is that the app version, the app version has welcome. Okay, let me try to zoom in so they can, yeah, good, beautiful. So the only difference is that the web version has welcome, so it has the same create account. You can see that it is bold, like you can see that for the app version the create account text is bold, but the new to Amazon is just there. And so because we want them to do something, so we want them to either create an account or sign in. So if you're just new to Amazon, this is your first time, we're telling you please create accounts, and we're saying that if you're new to Amazon, do this. But if you're already a customer, sign in. So it's like a call to action, call to action we want them to do, and that's why you can see that the text is bold, right? And now we're telling them, okay, in this box you either can fill your email or phone number, and then you can continue. And like what I explained, like, okay, when you click continue, what happens is that it will take you to the PS page where you need to put in your password. And you can see that this yellow button means that, okay, we clicked on sign in, and that's why there's an email or phone number. But if this yellow dot was on, like we click, if it's like we're going to click create account, this is not what's going to come up. And a different set of input fields where we can put in name, where we can put in our nationality, where we can just put in a lot of things, is what will pop up. That's what will pop up. So that's what I actually learned, and that's what I've been learning so far. Oh, thank you.